Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps section. Scroll down again, tap on default apps, and finally select one of those options. In my case, browser app. Last but not least, click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!